Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious avocado fries using just a few easy ingredients. We've got 3 medium-sized avocados, 2 eggs, and a heaping cup of Parmesan cheese. We're just going to add our avocados to the bowl. Mash it with a fork. Add our Parmesan cheese and crack in 2 eggs. Give that all a stir. And then we're going to add some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of pepper, all to taste. And then line a baking pan with some parchment paper. And get a Ziploc bag or a piping bag and add our mixture into the bag. And then just snip off the tip and pipe it onto our baking tray. And I have a second tray because I have a lot of mixture here. And then pop those in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And while those bake, we're just going to make a little dipping sauce. I'm making 2 different ones because I'm going to make one spicy with sriracha and the other one is for my kids. So we're going to do ketchup and mayonnaise in both. And then sriracha in mine. And a little salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of pepper. And we're going to stir those both together. And here's what they look like when they're all done. And that's the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, and if you made them, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.